How to fold down your windshield on your Jeep Wrangler in 8 easy steps the right way. Number 1. The Freedom Top, Soft Top, and or Style 1 Touch must be removed due to the windshield being right here. Number 2. Grab your handy dandy Jeep toolkit of the center console right here. We're going to need 3 tools out of it. We're going to need 1, 2, and 3. Take the instructions and remove them. Throw them away because they do not tell you everything you need to know about folding down the windshield. They're missing several steps. That's why you just subscribe to the channel. Number 3. Remove the windshield wiper caps and bolts. You're going to need these 2 tools to remove these bolts. Number 4. Remove the windshield wipers. Number 5. Flip down the sun visor so you can gain access to the 4 windshield bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 6. You're going to need these tools to remove the 4 windshield bolts. Now you're going to take the 4 bolts you just removed, open up the rear swing gate, and put them in this designated spot where it says windshield. Number 7. Now you're going to take the windshield and rest it down gently on the windshield pads that are mounted on the hood. Number 8. Now you're going to take the adaptive cruise control cover and mount it to the camera so that no bugs or debris can damage the camera. And that's how you take the windshield off to get the open air experience the right way.